I wanted to talk a bit more about the new YOT 53. Really excited about that boat.
Yeah.
So I understand it's coming in Cannes, as we said, so that's in September.
Yeah.
We'll be inviting people to come and see the boat and trial it. Really interested to talk a little bit more about some of the features of the boat. Notice that you've got a lot of innovation around the cockpit as well as the terraces that fold out. What else is going on in the cockpit?
So we have the terraces. We will have foldable sun pads, so that the steps that you can open, and then it becomes like a long chair on the starboard and port side.
Folding out of the deck.
Folding out of the deck.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Basically, the idea was to have like an aft cockpit for lifestyle with the tilting door. So you have the platform. You have on the aft cockpit we have the benches, so they're locked in when you're navigating.
Right.
And then you just unlock them. And you can carry them around the boat just the same way you do at home. So you can put it on the platform, on the sides, side wings, and so that's cool.
Did I see somewhere there's a little garage for toys?
Yeah, correct. We have garage for toys underneath the benches, so you have an access, so you can have like 2 SeaBobs, and then obviously you have the platform with the dinghy. The train will also be a nice feature. It's coming out of the Flybridge. It's rotating, so it's something new.
So we've got a high-low platform,
Yeah.
as well as a crane.
Yeah. If you go to our website, then you have this configurator for the YOT 53. So you have a good understanding of what's available and how and
What it would look like on board, and,
Yeah, exactly.
and that's going to help you understand whether that option's for you or not.
Yeah, exactly.
That's brilliant.
Exactly.
And that's unique. I mean, no one else is being that transparent with their pricing.
No, absolutely.
That's
So
quite disruptive. You've gone for Yanmar power.
Yeah.
What's the thinking? What have you got?
It's to keep it simple. Yanmar engines with a straight shaft drive. So just keep things simple and accessible to anyone. So yeah.
Super easy to service. Very hard to break a Yanmar engine. So the longevity should be good. Support's fantastic already in the US, so we're very happy.
For US prices, landed, and to make sure that you have, if you want to have like the real accurate price in US dollar, then
come and talk to us.
Yes, exactly.
Come and talk to us at Catamaran Gurus, and we'll give you a landed price. But it's a really good tool to get an indication of what your spec will look like in euros ex factory.
Yes.
And then we'll Americanise and deliver it from there.